Good day, ma'am. I'm Edel Munilla, 23 years old, live in Bagong Silangan, Quezon City. I graduated last year with a bachelor's degree in entrepreneurship. I previously worked at SM Supermarket Cubao. With with I worked there being a store clerk. Um, my I will I will I will I will define what my work is. I handle customer. Um, I display product, and I handle customer on what they want, what are the problem they have, and we handle it, we resolve it, or we resolve so they can satisfy and they can come back again, and they can go home with a happy, with a smile. um you should hire me, ma'am, because I face challenge with a positive attitude and positive mind, and and I find the solution. I will find the solution, no matter what it is. I will try to find the solution so I can solve it, because I can solve that problem, what problem that is, because it challenged me when I get when I have a problem to face, and it gets me challenging. If that problem is a complex, it makes me shrivel like that. It challenged me when it gives me a situation that it challenge me when a situation it gives me situation when it's hard to escape. Um, my strength is, uh, I never give up no matter what I will face. eh, I will face, and no matter what problem it is, I work it little by little so I can overcome the challenges that given to me. And my weakness, ma'am, is I get bored so easily. That's the thing that I hate about me. I get bored, like in playing mobile, reading books. Like when I read books, I it's only 2 page, 3 page. I get easily bored. It's only 2 page that I read. It's only 2 to 3 page, and it gets easily bored because it feels like I wanted to do something, or like I wanted to try new. It bores me. That's what I hate about myself, because not every day, because sometimes I didn't finish what work is I have to do. I can't finish. I didn't finish. I come back when I remember it again. When I remember it again, I will come back and will hurriedly finish it. Something like that, ma'am. And how I handle my stress? I handle it by relaxing, pausing, and or locating what my pinpoint or what my problem is. Locating or determine what my problem is, so I can solve it, and it gives me I can determine, so I can solve that problem, solve it, and I have a satisfactory in myself. Um, what I can contribute in your company is I can make I can make my customer lives feel better for when they call, and it's exactly they align with me. I can help them with whatever the problem is, and I will I will do my utmost best to satisfy what their needs, so that they can back, and it gives positive rating in the company. I can give them I can give what they need, and so yeah, they can come back with with a happy smile, and with a satisfactory in their eyes. So I can look into no, not the look. So and based on their tone. So when they called me back, and the problem that I solve is it's okay, and they tell me that it's okay. So I think in my imagining things, I see I see their eyes that they're satisfied on what did I do and what I do. I want to Aloricam. I want to work in Aloricam because I want to leave my comfort zone. I want to try new things, new. Uh, I want to gain experience. I want to meet new friends, new people. I want to have a gain knowledge. I want to gain knowledge from that. From there, I want to know what what working people is, and I I can be I can be I can know, I can gain from them, and experience new things. And it's a one thing, ma'am, that I want to join Aloica because of that idealize, ma'am. When I see someone when they wear it, it makes me it amazes me because they are Aloica, they fluent in English, something like that. Sorry, ma'am, if my time duration are off limits, are past the limit without exactly 8 minutes, because that when I see something wears a Lorica, it amazes me. It amazes me because they are in BPO. They can speak in fluent without like me, like stutter. They're handling customer, foreign customer, something like that, ma'am. Thank you.